Hey guys, Evan here. So aside from video games and tech, I also grew up in a car family, and specifically I'm a big fan of Volkswagens. I've had four Volkswagens in my life, 3 Beetles and a Volkswagen Fox, and I just got invited to test drive the new all-electric ID.4 and decided to take advantage of it. Not really in the market for a new car. I am loving my Beetle that I've had now for 6 years. But figured why not? I have never driven an electric car and I think it'd be kind of fun. So let's go.
But right up here is where you're going to switch into drive and regenerative braking mode.
Okay.
So as long as you're on the brake, you can click forward and you can see B light up. Forward one more time will get B.
Okay.
And if you click down, it'll be neutral. One more time will be reverse.
Okay.
And to park it, there's a button right here on the end that you push in.
Gotcha. Okay.
So that's pretty much it. So
cool.
That should be enough to get you started. Put your seatbelt on and you're good to go. I'll
awesome.
see you when you get back.
Thank you so much.
Please turn right at the end of the road.
It's super quiet. It definitely drives different than a gas car. There's like a bit of a delay with the gas pedal, but maybe I'm just not used to an automatic. Haha, found the sunroof. Okay, it's a little zippy. Not too bad. So the braking feels pretty normal. I actually enjoy that. I know that's kind of an issue sometimes with electric cars, having braking just kind of do whatever it wants. But this feels pretty normal. It's just the gas pedal that feels a little iffy. Screen's very nice and bright. I like the position of it. The little info screen dash is really cool, actually. I could get used to this. This is pretty nice. I'm into it. It's comfortable. Definitely feels bigger and heavier than my Beetle, but handling-wise, the low center of gravity does feel nice. It doesn't feel as big as it looks from the outside. I don't know what to say about it. It drives nice. I think I would miss my manual, though. This doesn't feel quite as sporty.